Hi there! Here are 5 interesting facts about the ketogenic diet that you might find helpful. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that is commonly used to promote weight loss and improve overall health. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. One of the biggest benefits of the ketogenic diet is its ability to help you lose weight. Studies have shown that individuals following a ketogenic diet may experience greater weight loss compared to those following a traditional low-fat diet. The ketogenic diet may also offer potential health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and lowering blood sugar and insulin levels. The foods you eat on a ketogenic diet include healthy fats, such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil, as well as moderate amounts of protein from sources like meat, fish, and eggs. You'll need to limit your carbohydrate intake to around 20 to 50 grams per day. However, the ketogenic diet is not for everyone. It can be challenging to follow, and may not be suitable for individuals with certain medical conditions, such as pancreatitis or liver disease. As with any diet, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting.